Yeah. Hello day.
All right, the ingredients are over here. All right, so the ingredients, my cousin will tell you. I personally don't know how to make it myself. All right, cousin?
Hi guys. Here we have ice cream, the vanilla one. And then of course, our evaporated milk. The sweet corn, kernel one in the can. The ube, here's what's gonna make our halo more delicious. The fruit mixture, look guys, here. Of course, banana, and sweet mango, and of course, the crushed ice.
Let's make it.
And crush the ice, and then we're gonna put this into this glass, including this one in the can.
So we put the ice in here.
We're gonna scrape it on the wall of the glass.
So I was gonna make it, but my cousin showed up from the
Your
San
turn.
Francisco. And then,
Turn.
so what I'm gonna do is use the back. I think you use the back end,
Yeah,
right?
that's better.
And ube is kind of like a, what was that, a purple sweet potato?
Yeah, it's from taro.
It's like a taro?
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't have to cover the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hopefully I can do this
So we're
correctly.
gonna put some of it on top of the halo, so it will
Is that
look
good
more
enough?
nice. Yeah.
Like that?
The sweet corn, guys, I'm just gonna open it.
Bada bing, bada boom.
The juice.
So we're done with this. The
The ube.
ube. I didn't know. I guess this one's gonna have sweet corn, but you don't have to use sweet corn.
And I'm gonna poke this can Filipino style.
Oh shit! Sorry. Try not to stab your toes. And as you can
Check out,
see,
guys. Resident Evil
Resident
Progress.
Evil.
And then,
So
and
now,
then you do the honor. Slice the bananas.
boom. He opened it Filipino style. I don't want to tip it too much, but cut the bananas.
Into the thin slices.
Let me show you a trick, guys. Just boom.
Simple as that.
Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the banana. Yeah. Like boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
boom. Even this side. All right.
This one.
Okay.
So we can mix it
So-
all together and divide it into these 4 cups.
So now we
Four
open
glasses.
this one. Oh shit!
Hear that sound?
It was filling, and then pour it in the bowl.
Perfect.
And it's like, was it a fruit mixture? And you could get this at your Oriental market, I think, right?
Yeah. Here you go, guys.
That's how it looks.
Like for using coconut, do you have something like that?
No.
Just two, I think spoon is good. Yeah. Yes, it's good.
Like a little circle thing? No, we don't have. Hopefully I don't cut myself while I'm doing this. Cut it into little boxes, like so.
Kids, if you're watching, don't do this alone. See this, guys? We're gonna slice it right just above it. Last like this. So we don't hit the seed.
Oh, so that's how you measure it. Throw this away. It's nice. It's not that sharp. Sharp enough to cut fruit, but not sharp enough to cut me. I got impenetrable. Is that impenetrable skin? That's when you cue the right.
Weird enough, huh?
Look at that.
Looks very good.
Looks scrumptious.
Okay, handle this. What we're gonna do next is put the ingredients into the glass. Let's
Now we're gonna put the ingredients into the glass. No, go ahead. I got you.
So
No, go ahead. That's fine.
we're gonna put all of these ingredients into this glass.
I feel like it's more authentic if you do it,
Uh-huh.
because I'm only half Filipino.
Mix it very well. Just like this. And then we're gonna put this in a glass.
How's that glass look?
Just right amount. So
Oh
we
no,
can
I
put
was just
them
gonna
all.
see. Boom. Bada bing. Bada boom.
What do you think, guys?
So usually he asks I should do this, but I think he should do it because it's more authentic that way, because he's the one that knows the recipe, not me. I'm still learning.
Next is
Okay, so you put that, what we put in the bowl in there.
I'm gonna put this away here. Then next is our bananas.
Now you can do this in 80 order, right?
Mhm.
So it doesn't matter which order you put this in.
Next, guys, is our mango.
Mango. Or mango.
Next is our corn.
1 scoop of corn for each.
Yeah, that's right. And then next, guys, is we're gonna crush this ice first, and we'll show you around later.
Oh, it's crushing it though, but this needs to be in, right? There we go. I think we just broke the blender. There you go. This is the best we can do. But the bottom is all blended. See?
Now we're gonna put the ice on the glass. Just top of it. Sorry guys for the mess. Ice sauce.
All we need now is the
Evaporated milk.
evaporated
Yeah.
milk.
I think the ice is not enough. And then, our last but not the least, the vanilla ice cream. Chris, will you do the honor for me? Scooping the ice cream?
Okay.
Go, guys.
All right, we're gonna scoop the ice cream. How much? Like
It's up to you.
We'll to the brim. To the brim. Oh, this ice cream. Yo, we need like something crunchy to put on top, like Rice Krispie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or no? We don't have Rice Krispies. So usually you get like Rice Krispies and put it on top to have some crunch. But we don't have it, so we can't put it on there. I feel like one, a little bit more. That's it. Hollow, hollow. Thanks to my cousin for helping me out. And voila! Hollow, hollow. From my kitchen to yours. Let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and make it. Like the video.
Don't
And
forget to subscribe, guys.
there you go. Let's go.
It's a lot of time.
Hold on. They want us to taste it. You guys want us to taste it, right? Okay. What's a video if you don't taste it? You get the hollow hollow and you mix it. You mix it all up, right?
Yeah.
See? Because you want to get all of that in there. Whoosh. Try not to make a mess like me. It's mostly liquid. But that's okay. And we're gonna go all the way to the bottom, mix it up, guys. Boom. So let's mix it up. And then taste it. Mmm. So Brahman masarap.
Try it, guys. Try it, guys, in your kitchen. You can do this alone or with companion. It's up to you guys.
It's really good. All right.